Okay, so I've been working on this all day. Yeah. God. Anyway, this is from my Amara Milani. Not gonna wait for her birthday. I'm just gonna go ahead and give it to her. So, what do y'all think? Let me know. Alright, that's pretty much it. Baby's car, and then mommy's car over here. Okay.